Alright guys, here it is, the boss in World 1. Alright, let's do this. Hi guys, Dancel here and welcome back to a brand new DG Plays video. For those who are new to the channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Dan, nice to meet you. And today, mukhang nabawi talaga ako sa inyo guys. So ngayon, welcome back to a brand new DG Plays video. So ngayon, maglalaro na naman tayo ng isang lumang laro. Another old game, which is called Red Ball 4. Now, nilaro ko na din to noon pa nung bata ko. Hindi ko tanda kung kailan yon, pero ngayon babalikan ko ulit itong larong to at titingnan ko din kung magaling pa rin ako sa larong ito. So, I'm kinda good at the game. Kinda lang. Hindi yung magaling talaga. So, bago magsimula at maglaro, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new and turn on my notification bell if you haven't already so you cannot miss any of my videos when I upload a new video on my channel. So yeah, and again, there will be only a face cam on the intro and outro because again, kapag naglaro ako habang may face cam, my thumb will be on the way. So yeah. So, wag na natin patagalin, maglaro na tayo. Let's go. So, papatayin ko lang face cam ko. Alright guys, so this is Red Ball 4, so let's hit the play button and let's get started. Let's go. Alright. Oh, there's 2 red balls and there's 1 squared red ball. I mean, there's 1 squared red squared. Okay. Okay, I remember this. We need to save the world from black squares. Alright, here I am. Red ball. Alright. Nakakamiss laruin to. So, yeah. Let's start. Oh, yeah. We need to collect stars to get gold medals. I remember. Alright. And, okay. Our first gold medal. Nice. Alright. Let's get up here. Alright. Next level. Alright. Okay. Okay, there's 1 red squared. Dead. Okay. Now, let's push this box. So, let's get up here. Right. Oh, whoa. Hang on. Okay, that was a close one. Right. Jump. Leap of faith. Okay. Okay, we need to push this stick. And let's get up here. Alright. Next level. Okay, another black square dude. Okay, dead. Okay, we need this rock. So let's get some momentum. There you go. And alright, let's not get squished now. Alright, get up here and checkpoint. Alright. Whee! Oh wait. There. Oh jeez. Alright. Hey. Oh my god. Come here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. Oh jeez. There you go. Oh, I only have 1 heart left. Alright. 1 heart left. Alright. 5 that. There you go. Alright, next level. Alright, next level. Wait, if I remember correctly, if I restart the level, I'll get my hearts left back. Yep, there it is. Alright, push this cart. Is that what you call it? I don't know. But yeah. Alright, there we go. And alright, kill this square dude again. There you go. Okay, hang on. Oh. Okay, whoop. Alright. There you go. Alright. Oh, you're gonna get squished, my guy. Alright, let's squish this dude. There you go. Now let's get this box. Pitfall, I got an achievement for that. Alright. And let's get to the next level. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Chill. Oh, that was a close one. Alright. Oh yeah, you're going for a swim, buddy. And yeah, there you go. And if I remember correctly, you can't swim as well. Okay. Ooh, okay. Oh, hang on. Oh, I need that star. Oh, gee. Okay, I fall. Now I have 4 lives left. Alright. Okay, good. Next level. Alright. Oh, jeez. This dude has an armor. There you go, dead. Oh, I can't reach the star. Oh, there it is. Alright. Alright, there we go. Okay, alright, there we go. Checkpoint. Oh, let's ride this. Wee! And get squish. Laid out. Oh, I got an achievement for that. Okay. There we go. Oh, jeez. I fell down. Alright. There you go. Alright, let's get up here. And boom. Alright, next level. Oh, whoa, 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 jeez. There we go. Bam. Alright, dead. Alright. Nothing else down here. Alright, let's get up. Whoa, 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 whoa. There. Alright. There we go. This box right here. And let's get up here. And there we go. Oh, we need to use this guy to get the star. And there we go. Another gold medal. Alright, next level. Oh, okay. Oh, hang on. There you go. And poop. Whoa, 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 whoa. Chill, chill. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, dead. Alright. Oh, you're getting hammered, my guy. Wee. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. Be careful now. Be careful. You don't wanna fall. You don't wanna fall again. Oh, wait. Oh, I messed up. Hang on. I need to bring that back and get this car. There you go. Alright. There you go. Okay, let's ride this windmill. Oh, don't fall now. Alright. I got the star. And let's get up here. Alright. Next level. Oh, jeez. Okay, I need to restart the level to get my hearts back. Of course. There you go. Okay. Oh, okay. I get it now. I get it. There you go. Push this box. There you go. Now let's kill this dude. I saw you earlier. Okay, let's grab the star. Alright. Oh wait, wrong way. Nakakamiss laro itong larong to. It's been a while talaga. At binalikan ko lang. At tingnan, magaling din ako sa larong ito eh. Ang tanda ko. Kaya tinitingnan ko kung magaling pa rin ako dito. I'm kinda okay.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water.
You can't swim. Remember that, Red Ball. Alright. Oh, be careful now. Alright. Okay, nice one. Whoa, 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 jeez. Okay, okay, that was nice. Oh, whoa, ride it. Okay. Ooh, jeez. Right, go for a swim, buddy. There you go. That's where you belong. Alright. Ooh, okay. Alright, okay. Oh, jeez. Whoa. Oh, okay. I get it. Ow. Alright, kill you. Poop. Bring this back up. And... ouch. I'm gonna die. There you go. Dead. And let's go to the next level. Alright, you don't get your hearts back when you enter the next level. Alright, let's restart the level to get our hearts back. Alright. Jump, leap of faith. Alright. Oh my goodness. Oh jeez. Okay. Let's do this again. I messed up. I only have one life left. Great. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, okay. 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 I'm gonna squish you. Okay, there you go. Okay. Oh. Okay, there you go. Achievement unlocked. Loop of death. Right, let's get this card. Okay, let's ride it before it goes away. Okay, that was fun. Alright. Oh. Okay, you're dead. Oh, double kill. Alright. Oh, jeez. I hate water. Okay. I mean, oh yeah, go for a swim, buddy. You just killed yourself. Alright. Next level. Oh, jeez. Oh, okay. Okay. Dead. Alright. Hang on, let's get this star. Okay, there you go. At a blow, new achievement. Oh jeez. What? Oh, okay, I get it. Come on. Oh jeez, come on. Get up there. There you go. Alright. Kill this. Alright, killing you. Ow. Okay. Don't die now. Okay, there you go. Alright. Okay, we gotta turn this, I don't know, platform. There you go. And there you go. Alright, kill this. Boink. Alright, next level. Alright. Okay, level 14. What is level 14? Oh, jeez. Oh, that was a close one. Alright. Okay, let's make a bridge. There you go. Oh, hello. Oh, wait, no. Let's squish you with the rock. With the boulder, I mean. Alright, let's squish this dude. And you're dead. Bam. Alright. Let's get up here. Okay. Oh, boink. Alright. Boink. Okay. Oh, next level is the boss. Okay. Alright, guys. Here it is. The boss. In World 1. Alright, let's do this. Hello. Do you remember me? Right. Okay. Yoink. Okay. There you go. Oh, jeez. Ow. Okay, there you go. Okay. Now what? Oh, right. Your minions. Okay. Okay, 2 minions. Not bad. Okay, I can kill them. Alright, more minions. Oh, not the armored one. Alright, dead. Oh, jeez. No. Dead. Alright. Oh, jeez. No. Dead. I mean, no. Hit. Not yet dead. Alright. Boom. Alright. Oh, jeez. Alright. Okay. And dead. Alright. Nice one. Okay. The boss is dead. And there will be more. Oh, that is new ball unlocked. Congrats. Golden ball is now available. Okay. Alright. Wait, hang on. Let's check the new ball that we unlocked. Oh, this one. Okay. There you have it. I beat World 1. And of course, as you can see, all of the levels are gold medal. And we're heading to the deep forest. And let's save that for the next level. So this is world 2, world 3, box factory, world 4, the moon, and world 5 into the caves. Okay. There we go, guys. I beat world 1, Green Hills. Now let's jump straight into world 2, but we'll do that in the next episode. So yeah. So yun. So that is basically Red Ball 4. So I beat the first world, which is Green Hills. So if you want me to play the next world, if this video gets 2 likes, I'll play this game again. So basically, I'll say magaling pa rin ako sa laro. So yun. I'm so sorry guys kung maikli lang yung video, pero this video is long enough, I think. So yeah, if you made it this far, if you like this, if you enjoy watching this video, while I enjoy making this video, if you did enjoy watching this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on my notification bell if you haven't already, so you cannot miss any of my videos when I upload a new video on my channel. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, Dancel Gamer video. So yeah, and always remember, I'm your one and only Dancel Gamer DG. Okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. So peace, bye, and gamer on, DG Squad.